Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show, and today we are painting our nails and chatting along the way. I picked out this beautiful color by Essie and you will see it in a second. I just really love it. This color was very popular back in the day. I'm not sure if it's still popular, but it's called Bikini, so teeny, and we're going to paint our nails with it. Also, I'm so happy and I wanted to say thank you to you guys because we have reached 16K subscribers, and that's such a huge honor to me, and I'm so happy that my channel is finally growing and going in the right direction and that people are really enjoying my videos, and that's something that I really wanted to do. I love YouTube. I love interacting with you guys. I'm so happy that you guys are part of my YouTube family. It's so nice to know that you guys are here, and I just wanted to say thank you. So when it comes to Essie nail polishes, it really depends. I do like their formulas usually. This one, as you can see, when you first apply the first coat, it gets a little bit sheer, but honestly, second coat balances everything out, which is what I like. And also, this is such a pretty color, so when color is pretty, I don't really mind that I have to apply 2 coats. As I said in my previous videos, I usually always apply 2 coats because second coat balances everything out. It makes everything look smooth and very nice, so that's what I like to do always. Anyways, you can see here that second coat really makes everything opaque and everything looks very pretty. I love this color. When light hits it, it looks different, so that's very awesome. It's something between like lilac and maybe gray color. Not sure how I would explain this color, but it's very pretty to me, so I decided to paint my nails with it. And also I used this color as a base for my previous video, which was nail art using nail foils. So if you haven't seen that one, check it out. I will have it listed in the description box as well. So now here I am applying some top coat to set it all in, just as beautiful shine and makes your nails look more like gel-like, which is what I like. I love very glossy manicures. It's just something that I like. And I have a little tip for you guys, that also every maybe 2 days you reapply your top coat. That will protect your nails, and I have talked about that in my other videos, which I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but if you haven't, everything will be listed in the description box below. Here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this nail show. Let me know what you think in comments. I love reading your feedback, and I will talk with you in my next video. Bye!